Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel. Lemongrass, known scientifically as Cymbopogon citratus, is a fragrant herb widely used in traditional medicine and culinary practices, especially in Southeast Asia and India. Its distinct lemony flavor, combined with a wealth of therapeutic properties, has made lemongrass a popular choice for promoting health and well-being. This video explores the top 15 health benefits of lemongrass and why it should be included in your diet and wellness routine. Number 1. Rich in antioxidants. Lemongrass is packed with antioxidants, compounds that help protect the body from oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals. These antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic compounds, play a crucial role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Regular consumption of lemongrass can enhance your body's defense against these damaging agents. Number 2. Aids in digestion. Lemongrass is widely recognized for its digestive benefits. It promotes smooth digestive function by reducing bloating, constipation, and indigestion. The herb stimulates the production of digestive juices, aiding in the breakdown and absorption of food. Drinking lemongrass tea after meals can help relieve indigestion and support a healthy digestive tract. Number 2. Supports weight loss. Lemongrass can be a valuable addition to a weight loss regimen. It acts as a natural diuretic, helping the body eliminate excess water and reduce bloating. Additionally, lemongrass contains citral, a compound that has been shown to prevent the accumulation of belly fat and promote fat breakdown. Incorporating lemongrass tea or infused water into your routine can support your weight loss goals by boosting metabolism and reducing water retention. Number 4. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Lemongrass possesses anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the body. Compounds like quercetin and camphorol found in lemongrass inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines. Regular consumption of lemongrass tea or using lemongrass essential oil can help manage inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Number 5. Relieves anxiety and stress. Lemongrass is known for its calming properties, making it an effective natural remedy for anxiety and stress. The herb helps reduce cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress. Drinking a cup of lemongrass tea or inhaling its essential oil can promote relaxation, calm the mind, and improve sleep quality. Including lemongrass in your daily routine can be a simple yet powerful way to manage stress and enhance mental well-being. Number 6. Supports immune function. Lemongrass is a rich source of vitamin C and other immune-boosting compounds that strengthen the body's natural defenses. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties help prevent infections and support overall immune function. Drinking lemongrass tea regularly can help ward off colds, flu, and other common illnesses, keeping your immune system strong and resilient. Number 7. Regulates blood pressure. Lemongrass has been traditionally used to help regulate blood pressure levels. The herb contains potassium, which acts as a natural vasodilator, relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation. This can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of hypertension. Lemongrass's diuretic properties also assist in flushing out excess sodium from the body, contributing to blood pressure regulation. Number 8. Promotes healthy skin. Lemongrass is beneficial for maintaining healthy, glowing skin. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties make it effective in treating skin infections, acne, and other skin conditions. Applying lemongrass oil topically can cleanse the skin, reduce acne, and control oil production. Additionally, the antioxidants in lemongrass protect the skin from oxidative damage, preventing premature aging and promoting a youthful complexion. Number 9. Detoxifies the body. Lemongrass is a natural detoxifier that helps cleanse the body by flushing out toxins and waste. Its diuretic properties promote increased urination, aiding in the elimination of toxins through the kidneys. Detoxifying the body can improve overall health, boost energy levels, and enhance the function of the liver, kidneys, and digestive system. Regular consumption of lemongrass tea supports the body's natural detoxification processes. Number 10. Supports respiratory health. Lemongrass has been traditionally used to treat respiratory conditions such as colds, coughs, and bronchitis. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help relieve congestion, reduce mucus production, and soothe irritated airways. Drinking warm lemongrass tea or inhaling its steam can provide relief from respiratory symptoms and promote easier breathing. Number 11. Helps manage cholesterol levels. Lemongrass may help manage cholesterol levels, thereby supporting heart health. The citral in lemongrass has been shown to lower LDL, bad, cholesterol levels while promoting the production of HDL, good, cholesterol. Maintaining healthy cholesterol levels is crucial for preventing heart disease and stroke. Including lemongrass in your diet, along with a balanced diet and regular exercise, can help keep your cholesterol levels in check. Number 12. Improves oral health. The antimicrobial properties of lemongrass make it an effective natural remedy for maintaining oral health. Lemongrass reduces bacteria in the mouth, preventing plaque formation, gum disease, and bad breath. Using lemongrass-infused mouthwash or chewing on lemongrass stalks can keep your mouth clean and fresh. The herb's anti-inflammatory properties also soothe sore gums and reduce oral inflammation. Number 13. Relieves pain and aches. Lemongrass has natural analgesic properties that can help relieve pain and aches. It is commonly used in traditional medicine to alleviate headaches, muscle pain, and joint pain. The herb's anti-inflammatory compounds reduce pain and inflammation in affected areas. Applying lemongrass oil topically or drinking lemongrass tea can provide relief from various types of pain, making it a natural alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers. Number 14. Aids in diabetes management. Lemongrass may help manage diabetes by regulating blood sugar levels. The herb has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce glucose absorption, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. Additionally, the antioxidants in lemongrass protect pancreatic cells from oxidative damage, supporting insulin production. Including lemongrass in your diet, along with proper medical management, can aid in controlling blood sugar levels and managing diabetes. Number 15. Supports menstrual health. Lemongrass has been traditionally used to alleviate menstrual discomfort and promote menstrual health. The herb's anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties reduce menstrual cramps and pain. Additionally, lemongrass helps regulate blood flow and balance hormones, supporting a healthy menstrual cycle. Drinking lemongrass tea during menstruation can relieve symptoms and promote overall menstrual health. In conclusion, lemongrass is a versatile herb with a wide range of health benefits. From supporting digestion and immune function to promoting healthy skin and reducing inflammation, lemongrass offers numerous therapeutic properties that can enhance overall well-being. Incorporating lemongrass into your diet, whether through tea, culinary use, or essential oil, can be a simple and effective way to harness its many health benefits. As with any herbal remedy, it's important to consume lemongrass in moderation and consult with a healthcare provider if you have any underlying health conditions. With its rich array of nutrients and healing properties, lemongrass is a valuable addition to any natural health regimen. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video.